guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a fall cleaning video because now that fall's here, I just want to reorganize, and clearly I've been getting lots of new fall decor, so I just want to make room in my house, and I thought we could just enjoy a pumpkin spice together and have a nice home vlog. And I'm really excited, obviously, to get into fall content, so if you want to see more, make sure you subscribe now, and I'm gonna roll right in. Little bit of a coffee moment. I don't know how they do the hearts, but that's good enough. I am good with anything that has steamed milk. Just makes everything better.
We got something magical, pretending that nobody knows, trying to hide but it shows. Lost my sense of logical, think that I'm gonna explode, echoes inside of my bones. Not the brave kind, never dare to take the leap when the chances come. You are special, ordinary, can get you out of my mind. I'm gonna do it all for you, falling so free to the wild. Gonna do it all for you, breathing in deep for the fall. Now I feel left to figure out your music and all of my notes, coloring all of my songs, makes me wanna scream out loud. You're already under my clothes, echoes inside of my bones. I'm not the brave kind, never dare to take the leap when the chances don't be. You are special, ordinary, can get you out of my mind. I'm gonna do it all for you, falling so free to the wild. Gonna do it all for you.
Okay, all done, you guys. This drawer was just insane before. It was just so messy and it became my clutter drawer. So I like to have this drawer be stuff that I actually reach for. Foundations I'm using, lip gloss, brushes, and then also hair clips, the Rare Beauty blushes, and things like that. So everything is pretty realistic in here, which I like, and it's not too cluttered. This is like my other area of makeup that I've been taking stuff from. So I have like a bunch of the Flower Nose, Kylie Cosmetics foundation that I've been going in with, brushes, and the rest I'll fill in because there's still quite a bit. Nice thing is I've definitely downsized on my makeup. I don't think it's too crazy. And I definitely love my fragrances. So I've had a lot of like my autumn fall scents. This one is like a vanilla scent. The other one I've been going in with is this one right here. So it's the Wonder Rose, and I actually got this at Zara. I'm in love with these little boo towels that I got for the girls, and they're nice to use for like around the house cleaning too. They're just really light and you can wash them. I might go later today, but I do need to replace my moisturizer right here. This is actually the reusable or refill bottle that you can use, so you just buy the refill. A Glow Recipes moisturizer. I love this one. It's so nice and lightweight. Also, it was the girl's actual birthday yesterday, so my mom flew in before she went to Europe, and we had lunch with her. I have my coffee still. But she got them really beautiful necklaces and also some gifts from like my brother, so we went to like the toy store after. It was really sweet though, and they got lots of birthday cards. Other thing I wanted to show you guys, so I know I talk about her a lot when we're doing the girls' birthdays, but Calgary Party 50, her name is Dina, and she is the absolute sweetest. She helps me with all the planning. She does balloon installation, so that's what I started with her, but she has helped me along the way with all the planning for their parties. And they've just gotten so much like bigger over the years, I would say. So I mean, her help has just been amazing. Like I can't even describe how I would not be able to throw those types of parties without Dina. She did get us a gift yesterday. This came in for their actual birthday and it was so sweet. She got pink roses and there's like a beautiful bow on this. I honestly wish flowers lasted forever because they're so beautiful to look at. I wanted to show you guys. And then also she got me her catalogs here and she marked down the pages that were in. So I wanted to quickly show you guys. She does all sorts of events here in Calgary. We are right here. This was the Candyland we did for their 5th birthday. So that was last year. And then we're also in this one right here. So this was their 3rd birthday that we did. That was like safari theme. Here, if you guys remember that, I had like a big tree, a big 3. Also, this was their 2nd. This is when we moved in our home, and that was beautiful too, like an enchanted birthday party. I feel like I need these in like every single video I do now, but I know I'll only probably have them for today or tomorrow. But they're so pretty. Love too, like the difference between me doing a morning routine video now versus how it was a week ago is very different. I wake up and, well, until I get the girls out the door. Once I get them out the door, it is like peaceful. I try to really just enjoy and take it in because I haven't had free time in over a year, and I didn't realize how much kindergarten in their schedule was actually getting to me. And I feel so bad for most of my friends because now they're going back to that schedule where it's like they're in school for a few hours, then they're out, so you have the start of the day like all morning, and then you have towards the end, because I had them in the afternoon program, so it's like I couldn't have help after or before. It was just kind of a rough year. And I'm glad we're here now. So they're in school all day, which is just unbelievable and amazing. Of course, I miss them, but I'm definitely ready to kind of get back into things. Steamed milk changes everything. Lots of questions on my skin being really glowy. I've been using the new Glow Recipe serum. It's amazing. It's the purple one. I can't remember the name of it. I've been using it all week. It's such a thicker serum. I haven't seen them do a serum that thick. It just like, I've been putting it on morning and night. It's amazing. Like it just makes my skin really luminous and glowy. I love the texture of it too. And sorry, my voice is a little raspy. I'm still like half awake, but the coffee is waking me up. But yeah, I am really, really excited to get into fall content. It is my favorite season, as you know. I love autumn too, but it's just so short here in Calgary. Even fall is short, honestly. I want to say it's like, I don't know, 3 weeks, if that. Then it starts getting really cold here. We have long winters here in Calgary. I just got like a boo sweater and some other things, which there's something so cute about pink ghosts. And I actually did, you guys are gonna be so upset, but I did a pink ghost collection that I was making for Ipsy a year ago, and it was pink and it had ghosts on it. How cute would that be to have like a brush set with pink ghosts on it? Because like right after Halloween, it's like Christmas. So that was the only reason why I didn't launch it, but maybe like an exclusive thing, or I don't know, but it was really cute. Like, can we launch this, please? Look how cute. But I am working on new things, so I'm really, really excited. I might talk about that a little bit more later, as far as some ideas from you about what I can do. I have designs finished, but I'm just still so stuck on like lip gloss, there's just so many makeup products out there. It's hard to like figure out what it is that I want to do. Is I have an idea already that's already done, my new launch with brushes, but something else. I'm like, I need to do something else too. Okay, well, I'm gonna enjoy my coffee, and Shan is gonna be here in the next like 5 minutes probably. I'm actually teaching her how to edit some of these videos so that I can put up more videos. So Shan works with me. She's also like one of my best friends. If you talk to us through like the beauty page, most of that is her. Handles a lot of the PR now, so it's great. And we still work with Rhoda as well because she's in Vancouver. Really love my team. It's small, but I love it, and it's a great group of girls. Wanted to quickly show you guys my little living room area, my cutesy cozy setup that I did for the girls. Also just put Gilmore Girls on. I've been watching this a lot. I started watching it because I love the autumn episodes, but then I was like, I used to watch this show every day when I got home from school. It's one of my favorites. I had more pillows down here, but the girls brought them upstairs because they wanted to lay on them. The new pillows that I got are these ghost ones. They're from HomeSense, and the ones behind them. Really furry and comfy to lay on. These, I'd probably pick up another two if I can find them, but those were the only ones I could find. Just really comfortable for the girls to lay on and cozy. I mean, you can find these everywhere. I'll link very similar ones down below for you. Other thing I did right here, I got their little ottoman that asked lots of questions on where the pink couch is from. I'll link it down below. They are on Amazon, and I mean, you can use them for kids or you can use them for yourself if you wanted a pink one. If you are planning to set up like a little room home movie type thing. And then right here it came with an ottoman. So I put some fur on it and I put all the pumpkins, which just makes it a little bit more festive, just from shopping out at HomeSense and Winners. But I have found really cute pink ones down below, and then also some really cute white fluffy fuzzy ones. Big purchase was this lamp. I've been wanting one of these, the exact pink color, because I got one for the girls before from Amazon, but it was peach when I got it, and this is definitely a baby pink. I was like, but I ended up getting it because I really like it. I think I might put it in my office after, have it in here for a little bit, and it's really cute when it's on too. The other thing I got here were these big, tall pink candles, which I thought were really cute. I think it's like Sand and Fog. I love the theme song. Anywhere that you tell me to. Such a good song. And then the other thing I have, this was from Michael's from years ago, and it's one of my favorite pumpkins. So Michael's is always a good spot. They've got lots of nice decorative pumpkins. I just find, like, if you don't have a coupon code, it's very expensive there. So I try to just go to HomeSense when I can. Other thing I just ordered are pink Boo slippers. So I'll link that down below, but I'll do a haul once everything comes in because I got a bunch of stuff. Up here, I have my little fall sign, Fall Sweet Fall, my thankful pumpkin, and just a few more decorative pieces, candles. So I got the idea from my friend Tanya. We were on the phone for 4 hours the other day. I want to do a Boo basket for you guys. So I'm thinking about doing that. I'll see if I have time in today's video. I might not, depending on this week, but either this video or the next video, I will definitely have one, and I need to go out shopping for it and get all the goodies. But I thought that'd be really fun and really cute. And I mean, it's just such a cute season. I love ghosts. I never did before until everything came out with like all this pink and ghosts. So I've been really loving it. So my brother and his wife Bree got the girls whoopee cushions and money, but it was, oh my gosh, if I have a video here, I'll attach it, but they were doing it at the restaurant yesterday, and I'm like, of course my mom makes them open it right when we sit down, and they couldn't stop playing with it, but they had so much fun. But yeah, it was really sweet. My brother always gets the silliest gifts. And a card from my mama. These ones are from Ryan, and then these ones are from me. I got like the big Disney ones. I found these at Safeway, which I thought were just perfect. We went to the toy store after. We went out for lunch with my mom and my mom's cousin. So we went to Mastermind, and Mia picked out the Princess Peach car, of course. I was like, she's so into like cars right now, and this is like a remote control one, so she got this, and then I'll show you what Sophia got. I got this. Do you guys remember these secret journals with passcodes? I told Sophia, I was like, I used to have one of these and I wouldn't let anybody go into it, so she's all excited. And then I asked her, I said, okay, well, let's all write notes for you inside the book. So she had all the neighbors put like a little note for her inside, which I thought was so cute. And it definitely, doesn't this bring back childhood memories? It does for me. I was obsessed with these. The thing I wanted to show you guys are these little Boo towels. So these are nice, they're washable. And I thought they would be really great for the girls because when they get home from school, that's the first thing I get them to do is wash their hands. I picked this up the other day at Marshall's actually. This is the Natural Home Lemon Scented. I like lemon, it's just really fresh. And I got that, and then this is a really nice piece of decor here that I got. It just has the soap on it, which I just think it's really nice decor. It's a little bit more pretty. Also, I was gonna say, if you guys are not subscribed yet to my Glam Squad on Instagram, make sure you are. I put lots of like different content in here. First looks at photos and videos, and also I do a lot of polls. So I asked you guys if you want to see fall house cleaning or a fall morning routine. So a lot of you guys said fall house cleaning routine to get back into fall and just organizing and cleaning. I think that's one of my favorite things to do before like a new season hits, and then you have new decor out and you're getting new decor. And so I thought it'd be fun for us to do that today together. So I've been using this. It's a makeup melting product that I got from Flower Nose. It is so good. It really melts all my makeup before I use my cleanser, and I've been really enjoying it. I also need to go get my nails redone because I still have bell nails. I also put my skull out, which I love. I got this at Home Sense. So fun. I've kind of like, I still have fall stuff out, and then I'm kind of transitioning into some ghostly things that I have, like candles, but other than that, it's mostly fall. I also have this right here. This is from last year, but I got these little pumpkins at Winners, and then I just put some like colorful fall branches with it, and I think it looks really good, and it just adds a little bit of color. I realized I never did an outro to this video, so I wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will be doing that boo basket for my next video, and I thought I could do like an entire shop with me and haul. I have lots of stuff coming in, and I'm gonna do some shopping at like Marshall's, Home Sense, Winners. Hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I'll see you in my next video.